Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If you are facing Roblox error code 280, don't worry about it. This error occurs when an invalid client version is used. It is possible that your Roblox client didn't update automatically. I have some tips to fix this problem, so watch the video till the end and follow my tips. I hope this video is useful for you and solves your problem. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.